Today we're diving deep into a topic that can make or break your videos. Transitions. I'm not just talking about flashy drag and drop effects. I'm talking about the essential techniques that pros use to make their cuts feel smooth, seamless, and intentional. Mastering these will elevate your editing from amateur to awesome, so let's get started. First up, the most powerful transition of all, the humble cut. Yes, the hard cut. It's the foundation of all editing. The secret to a good hard cut is motivation. Why are you cutting? Are you revealing something new, cutting to a reaction, or moving the story forward? A cut with a clear purpose feels natural. For example, if someone looks off screen, cut to what they're looking at. This is called an eyeline match, and it's a classic technique that guides the viewer's attention effortlessly. Never just cut for the sake of cutting. Always have a reason. Next, let's talk about the J cut and the L cut. These are absolute game changers. In a J cut, the audio from the next clip starts before the video appears. Think of a character starting to speak, and then we cut to them. It creates a smooth audio bridge and builds anticipation. Conversely, in an L cut, the audio from the current clip continues to play over the next clip. Imagine showing a person's reaction while their words still linger. It adds emotional depth and makes the edit feel incredibly polished. Try it out, you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Now let's get creative with movement. You can create seamless transitions by matching the motion between two shots. This is called a match cut. For example, if your camera is panning left in one clip, cut to another clip that also starts with a pan to the left. The continuous motion tricks the eye into seeing one fluid movement, completely hiding the edit. You can do this with camera pans, tilts, zooms, or even with the movement of an object or person within the frame. It requires a bit of planning during filming, but the result is pure cinematic magic. Another fantastic technique is using objects to hide your cuts. This is called a whip pan or a motivated transition. You can quickly pan the camera past a tree, a pillar, or a person walking by. In that moment of motion blur, you make your cut to the next scene. When done correctly, the viewer won't even notice the edit happened. You can also have an object enter the frame and completely fill it, then cut to the next shot as the object moves away. It's a clever and dynamic way to jump between locations or times without jarring your audience. So to recap, master the motivated hard cut. Use J cuts and L cuts to lead with audio, match your on-screen motion for seamlessness, and use objects to cleverly hide your edits. By focusing on these core techniques instead of just default transition effects, you'll be telling a much stronger visual story. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content creation tips. Let me know in the comments which technique you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.